Hello friends, this is Gruhini from Gruhinis World. Some people avoid fish because of the smell it has got, but today I am going to show you amazing fish curry which is tangy and tasty and does not have any trace of smell. Here I am using milkfish which is very good for women after delivery. So let's not waste any more time and get started. Friends, milkfish tastes best for tangy curries like fish pulsu or masala curries like fish igru as well as for fish fry. Friends, the masala that I have made for this curry can be used for any fish curry to get this amazing tangy and delicious taste. Do try this recipe and don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.